Hi there, students. A smattering as a noun. To smatter as a verb. You can even have a noun as a smatter, but I think it's more common a smattering of. Okay, if you have a smattering of knowledge about something, you know a slight superficial amount about it. We use this word particularly for languages. He speaks Spanish very fluently and has a smattering of Russian and Arabic. So he can probably say hello and how much and probably understand a few numbers, but no more. Okay, so I have a smattering of a language. This is a good collocation with this word. You can also use a smattering to talk about knowledge of a subject. So I have a smattering of knowledge about how a nuclear power plant works. I have a superficial knowledge. Okay, so superficial knowledge about something. You don't know about it in depth. We can also use a smattering to talk about a small amount, a small number, and they're probably scattered, and this word is very linked, as well. So there are only a smattering of farmers who still use this type of seed. Most of them, but nearly all of them, buy the Monsanto seed, but there are a smattering who do not. One or two here and there, highly scattered. Most of these tomatoes are not ripe, but there is a smattering of them that are right. Okay, a few. A smattering of raindrops fell, but at no time did it start raining. Few and far between, scattered, and not many. I would also probably say the floor is smattered with a few specks of white paint. And we're starting to get into the onomatopoeia of the word as well. So, a smattering of a language. This is, I would say, the primary use. A smattering of knowledge on a subject, a very small superficial knowledge. A smattering of examples, one or two, not few, here and there. Yeah, a smattering of people agreed with what he proposed, but the majority were strongly against it. Yeah, so a small number, a low concentration. In internet, I've seen various other definitions of to smatter, using it to mean to talk about something superficially, to chatter, but to chatter superficially, or to study something superficially, or to have a slight taste, a slight nuance, a slight bit of. Although I don't think I would use smatter in these ways. To smatter, one or two here and there, a smattering, a small amount of knowledge. So, next question is formality. I would give this word a 5 in formality. It's at the more informal end of the scale, perhaps. I think you could probably, though, use it just about anywhere. I think you could use a smattering of in a formal document as well, although you might say a few, not many of, not much of, a slight knowledge of. And then as to origin, well, there's a Middle English word, smatteren, a few here and there, and then there's a Swedish word and other Scandinavian words, smattra, which means to patter. Okay, to patter, like the pattering of raindrops or the pattering of little feet. So patter of something, to patter, and that is clearly onomatopoeia. I think a smattering, a scattering of, but in low quantities and low numbers. But most specifically, he speaks a smattering of Croatian, for example. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Smattering.